Ever wondered what a celestial deity looks like? Meet Caballo, the divine cat-human hybrid, with a face that marries the regal grace of a cat and the wisdom of a human. Caballo's eyes glow with the light of 1,000 stars. Its muscular form, wrapped in a robe woven from constellations and stardust, radiates an aura of divine strength. Cat-like ears rise above a halo that glows with ethereal light, while elegant claws hint at both beauty and power. Surrounding Caballo is a swirling galaxy where radiant cosmic energy flows from its outstretched arms. Witness the majesty of Caballo, a god that truly embodies the celestial.